Packing for international travel can either make or break your trip. I used to dread it. I'd arrive at my hotel with wrinkled suits, forgotten chargers, and a suitcase so stuffed I couldn't even close it. But after years of business trips, I've mastered a system of international travel packing hacks that let me finish my work, stay organized, and still sneak in leisure time without the stress. And here's the kicker. Hack number 5 is the one most business travelers miss. And it's why their bags always feel like a chaotic mess. Hack number 1, the power of packing cubes. When I first discovered packing cubes, I'll be honest, I thought they were just another travel gimmick. But once I tried them, everything changed. Instead of cramming clothes into random corners, I started dividing my suitcase by purpose. One cube for business outfits, one for leisure wear, one for undergarments. Suddenly, my suitcase wasn't in chaos anymore. It was a filing cabinet I could actually navigate. Picture this. You land at 10 a.m., have a meeting at noon, and you're exhausted from the flight. Instead of digging through socks and tangled t-shirts, you unzip one cube, and your pressed meeting outfit is ready in seconds. That's the power of packing cubes. But packing cubes only solves organization. Hack number 2 solves the nightmare of wrinkled clothes. Hack number 2, the roll plus bundle method. Let's talk about wrinkles. Nothing kills confidence faster than pulling out a shirt that looks like it's been chewed by your suitcase. Instead of folding, rolling clothes tightly creates compact bundles that resist creases. For more formal wear, there's the bundle method, wrapping shirts and jackets around a core item like a t-shirt or sweater. According to travel experts, this reduces wrinkles by up to 80%. I've stepped off flights straight into conferences, and my shirts looked freshly pressed. No iron, no hotel laundry, just smart packing. But none of this matters if you forget the one thing every business traveler needs. That's hack number 3. Hack number 3. The essentials pouch. Here's where so many travelers trip up. The little things. Your charger, your adapter, your earbuds. Forget even one of these, and the whole trip feels off balance. That's why I created my essentials pouch. It's a small bag that never leaves my carry-on. Inside, international adapters, cables, earbuds, power bank, medications, even a spare pen. Because here's the truth. You can live without that extra shirt. But you can't survive a 10-hour flight without headphones or a way to charge your phone. This tiny pouch has saved me from panic more times than I can count. Hack number 4. Dual-purpose items. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is packing for every possible scenario. That's how bags get bloated. The smarter move is to pack items that serve 2 or even 3 purposes. A blazer that looks sharp in meetings but pairs perfectly for a dinner out. Sneakers that you can wear to the gym in the morning and comfortably explore the city in by evening. The mindset shift is this. Don't pack more, pack smarter. Every item in my suitcase has to earn its place. If it doesn't serve multiple functions, it stays home. This one change cut my packing list in half. But hack number 5 is where the real magic happens, and it's the secret most travelers overlook. Hack number 5. The arrival-ready outfit. This one's my personal favorite. Always pack your first-day outfit in an easy-access compartment. After a 15-hour flight, the last thing you want is to dig through your suitcase to find your presentation suit. Having a crisp, ready-to-go outfit at the very top of my bag has saved me countless times. I've landed in Tokyo, in Paris, in New York, gone straight from the airport to client meetings, and thanks to this hack, I walked in confident, polished, and stress-free. That's not just convenience, it's peace of mind. Here's the truth. Packing isn't really about squeezing everything into your bag. It's about choosing the right things to bring. Think of your suitcase like prime real estate. Every item has to justify why it deserves a spot. Does it help you work more effectively? Does it allow you to enjoy your leisure time? Does it bring you comfort on the road? If the answer is no, it stays home. I'll never forget the moment this clicked for me. I used to pack like I was moving countries. Extra outfits, shoes for every occasion. Even books I swore I'd read on the plane but never touched. And every time I ended up stressed at the check-in counter, shoving things around to meet weight limits or dragging a heavy bag through airports. But once I made the shift, once I started asking, does this item earn its place? everything changed. My bags got lighter. I stopped paying overweight fees. Most importantly, I felt free. Packing became simple, and traveling actually became enjoyable again. Because here's the secret. The less clutter you carry, the more energy you have to focus on the trip itself. And that's the point. Travel should be about the experience, not the baggage. So let's pull it all together. The smartest way to pack isn't about bringing more. It's about packing with intention. Use packing cubes to stay organized. Roll or bundle your clothes to keep them wrinkle-free. Keep an essentials pouch ready so you never scramble for chargers or meds. Choose items that serve double duty. And always, always have an arrival-ready outfit waiting at the top of your bag. These international travel packing hacks transformed me from a stressed-out traveler, juggling heavy bags and panicking at check-in, into someone who lands calm, confident, and ready to take on a meeting or explore the city without skipping a beat. And here's the thing. Packing is only half the battle. Even with the perfect system, there are hidden traps every business traveler falls into. That's why your next step is to watch my next video on the screen. Because once you master packing, there are other elements of travel you need to know that will save you time, money, and stress, and make your trips truly effortless.